nuanyo na bianulo nuanyo na bianulo nuanyo onwere ike mmadụ ga-akarị ike Chukwu onwere ike ekwensu ga-akarị ike Chukwu nna bịanụlụ onye kere ụwa bịanụlụ nuanyo nna bịanụlụ onye kere ụwa bịanụlụ nuanyo nna bịanụlụ nuanyo nna bịanụlụ nuanyo onwere mgbe ike mmadụ ga-akarị ike Chukwu onwere mgbe ike ekwensu ga-akarị ike Chukwu nna bịanụlụ onye kere ụwa bịanụlụ nuanyo nna bịanụlụ Olisa kere ụwa bịanụlụ nuanyo Adam onye mbụ n'obi were omezulike Adam onye mfụrụ n'anya kwere m n'alụla Adam onye mbụ n'obi were omezulike Adam onye mfụrụ n'anya kwere m n'alụla
Hello, wonderful people, viewers and subscribers, and still on Ada Jesus issue. I got a hint that she's somewhere around in a hospital. I'm heading towards that place to see if we can get to her or her parents, then get her contact and bring it to our viewers so that they can assist, no matter how small, for her medical treatment. So let's go there and see what we can come of it.
Dale, Biko, ya. Ya nne. For this girl, Ada Jesus. Remember her present yesterday.
Our people are now in solution, and those elements of the old government regime who have made negotiations and reconciliations impossible have removed themselves from our midst. I have therefore instructed an orderly the government of the Republic of Biafra.
Yeah, we are just coming out from the hotel, from the hospital where we got hint that she had been, but we are told that she was moved to another hospital that is not within the state. I think somewhere in Abuja or something. But if you got this video, please try share it. Let's get her parents' number. We need her parents' number. All right, we are just making this effort to add value to the whole thing, you know, to contribute our own little way in her medical treatment, because every day people keep calling, people keep asking, have you gotten her contact, have you gotten her number. We got a hint that she's somewhere here, and we came and we said that she had been moved yesterday. So we hope that if you get this number, her number or her contact, anyhow we can reach her parents, please send it across to this number 08104545-533 or 08104207-522. These are BVI Channel 1 number to call, so that we'll be able to reach out to the parents. All we need is her account number and her phone number to reach the parents, so that we'll be able to make it provide it for our viewers who are interested in supporting her financially. So please help us share this video as we continue in this drive, okay, for Ada Jesus, and also you continue to remember her in your prayers. Thank you for watching. Just share this video, try to reach out, let us get her number or her parents or her family contact, so that we'll be able to get the account number where people can donate for her medical treatment. Thank you for watching, and thank you for keeping this hope alive for BVI Channel 1, and your support have make us come a long way in this service to humanity. Bye bye for now.